Coach, and I am the founder of the Institute for Transformational Thinking. I am a thought coach, a mindfulness meditation coach, and the author of Says Who, How One Simple Question Can Change the Way You Think Forever. I am so excited to welcome you to my Thought Coach Certification Training Program. Let's get started. A thought coach is someone who has done a thorough investigation and inquiry of their own thinking mind. They're somebody who really understands their own thought process and the thoughts that occupy their mind. They've done a deep dive into their thinking. They know which thoughts are productive, constructive, life-affirming, and ultimately positive, and the thoughts that do not serve their well-being. They have discerned between the two, and they know that in order to live a life that is productive and reach the goals that they want to reach, they know which thoughts to choose from and which thoughts to let go of. The person who is best suited to be a thought coach is someone who really values their thoughts, someone who knows that everything in our life is determined by our thoughts. And so therefore, they want to help others know their thinking mind just as well as they've come to know their own. They know that by knowing their own thoughts and being able to discern between the ones that are positive and the ones that are negative, and the ones that support their well-being, that it can have a direct impact on their life, and again, living the life that they want and so dream of having. They want to help others achieve the very thing that they have realized about themselves and their own thoughts and their thinking mind. Life coach is somebody who really is going to help boost you up in pretty much all the areas of your life, which is fine and good. But really what is at the base foundation of everything that we do in our lives is our thoughts. So a thought coach is someone who can help you specifically deal with your thoughts, to organize them, to be able to manage them, to be able to navigate those thoughts that come up that are going to get in the way of you reaching your goals. A thought coach helps you specifically deal with the thoughts that get in the way of you realizing your goals, and be able to help you cultivate and nurture thoughts that will help you manifest the life that you want. We think up to 70,000 thoughts a day, and so many of those thoughts do not serve our well-being, and yet we don't really know what to do about that. So we become at the effect of the thoughts that are negative and fear-based. And we can't really sort it out by ourselves sometimes, and we need the help of someone who can help us navigate our own thinking mind. A thought coach is someone who can really help guide you in how to continue on the correct, positive thinking path. What you will experience going through this program is getting to know your mind better than you have ever known it before. You will come to know the thoughts that occupy your mind on a daily basis, to the point where you will be able to discern between the thoughts that ultimately are the healthiest, positive, nurturing thoughts to cultivate you reaching your goals, and the thoughts that are not. By completing this program, you are going to be helping so many people no longer struggle and suffer with their own thinking mind. You will help them be able to pick and choose, basically, the thoughts that work favorably for them so that they can realize their goals and ultimately manifest the life that they want so badly and deserve to have. By doing this program and becoming a certified thought coach, you're going to be able to help people in all the areas of their lives, because basically what really is the biggest hindrance to getting on with your life in the area of relationships, in the area of career, in the area of just your relationships with your family, everybody, and everything that you do will be changed significantly by changing your thoughts. As a thought coach, you will be able to help your clients finally be free of the negative thinking patterns that have gotten in the way of them realizing success in the areas of their health, relationships, career, finances. There are so many blocks that people have because of the negative thoughts they have. And when you coach them, they will finally be free of that. They will be able to become successful in all of the areas that have stopped them thus far because of their negative thinking. Being a thought coach is really an important role to have. You know, when you make a commitment to changing your own thinking mind and knowing what possibilities lie ahead for you in changing not only your life, but other people's lives, you know you have a really important role to fulfill. A thought coach is ultimately a thought leader. And what I like to say about that is that we can change the world one thought at a time. I hope you join me on this very special journey to becoming a thought coach and changing not only your own life, but the lives of so many people.